Oh, we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll
Happy New Year's, my lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Let's address the elephant in the room. My hair is a little bit darker, if you didn't notice. A lot of people don't notice that I dyed my hair, honestly. But yes, new year, new do, right? Yeah, but that's besides the point, honestly. Today I am here to do my very first makeup look of the year. This is my first look for 2018, and I created this cut crease reddish eye look, and also have some glitters on my face. So yes, I'm really digging this look. And yeah, I finally used my 3502 palette from Morphe. So yes, I created this look with this palette, so really hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yes, I also got to try some new products. A lot of the products that I bought from like Black Friday and stuff, since I have not used any products yet, so I got to finally use some products from there. I created this look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys all have had a great 2017. 2017 for me was it's the same as any other year, honestly. I was able to create more content for you guys, but for this year I really want to create so much more and continue to grow my channel, because my channel means so much to me, and I always want to put my time and effort into creating good content for you guys. So I really hope you guys will enjoy each and every video that I put out, because I put a lot of hard work into it. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. And start with the eyes. I will be priming it with my MAC Soft Ochre Pink Pot. Priming that. And we'll be setting it. And of course, I'm going into the Morphe 3502 palette. We'll be starting off this nice orange shade called Ablaze. Put that right on the crease. Let's kind of wing it out a little bit. This palette, it is so good. Let's go in to this awesome color right here that everybody's been reaching out for. It's in the shade Fire. We're just gonna put this right underneath the color we just added. Let's just kind of wing it out a little bit. See that pigment? So nice. And then of course, let's go in with the pink pot from MAC again, and we're going to cut the eyes a little bit right here on the bottom area. Also going to try to clean this area a little bit. After that, we are going in with the eyeliner, and this is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks eyeliner. I can try to do the best I can on here for you guys. I feel like I have some dry patches on here or something, because the line is not so smooth on this side. After the eyeliner, let's go in with the Heavy Metal glitter eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay. let's just add some glitter to that liner so it's not so plain and simple, right? So let's add some glitter, some gold glitter onto the liner. And then I want to add some of this shade called Pure. Then let's put on some falsies. Let's stray away from the eyes for a little bit and we will go back to it. But for now, let's go ahead and work on the face. And I will be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer and I will be priming my face. So I actually really like this primer because it feels so hydrating and just makes my face feel really moisturized. We'll be going in with my NARS concealer, concealing with my brush my eyes. I cover those bags, other side as well. Just spot conceal wherever else is needed. And next, I'll be trying a new foundation, and this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I'm on the hunt for new foundation, and I have just not found the perfect one yet. I have it on my skin right now. Color seems perfect. The finish of the foundation doesn't look too bad. Let's go ahead and set the face with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Powder. Is it ethereal or ethereal? Oh my gosh. Just set the under eyes. And contour the face, and I'll be using this Tarte Hampton's Weekender contour palette, and I'll be going in with the contour side right here. And for blush, let's go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and this is in the Peachy Love Trio. I'll use the shade in the middle. Contour the bottom part, my jawline. Let's go back and finish the eyes. For the bottom lashes, the lower lash line, I'll be going in with this shade called Chestnut. Let's put some of that underneath the eyes. I have this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is in the shade Ritz. And I'm just gonna apply some of that underneath my eyes. Just going to put some glitter down my eyes. Same thing to the other side. I love this shade. I just love the glitters. Go with a black eyeliner, and let's just go ahead and put it on the top and lower lash line. In the corner, let's go in with the Pure shade again. Apply that to the center shade, or the inner corners, I mean. We'll be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I will be using Starburst. Nose, chin. And let's finish the lips off with the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Mondays. And to complete the look, I will be going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray.